So this is the recent parcel which I ordered from Amazon. So you can see your name and this is Amazon. Now I'm going to open it right now, right here. So let's see what it is. Well, guessing what it should be, right? Oh, guess. So stop the video and comment in the box what you have guessed. So it is a book. Okay, what is this? This is slid through Amazon. This is the book. Make money in your sleep. So this is what I bought from Amazon. I ordered yesterday, I received today, and it's about how to make 20,000 per month in passive income ideas 2020. Make money in your sleep. So I will be telling you about this book today. What I've ordered, I have paid 70 euros for this book, just of 30 to 40 pages, and I will be telling you everything within this book and the ideas of what passive income is and how to make passive income. So let's start the video.
So today I will be talking with you about the passive income, how to make passive income, the same which I bought it from Amazon for 70 euros. So I would like not to spend your money for these kind of stuff, and means not only for buying a book but also for making some skills course like to make money, how to make money and all this. Don't spend money for this. So I'm just gifting you the 70 euros by sharing the information. What was in the book I already know. So talking means initiating this video with the what does passive means. So introduction about the passive income. Basically the passive income is the income which you are earning without an effort, without a regular effort. You don't have to make the regular effort. Okay, so means I will be sharing with you the examples how to gain these type of skills and to make this type of income. So I will be sharing with you all these things in this video. Basically the passive income, first advantage is about that you don't have to work continuously. You don't have to look after your income on regular basis. It's not like a regular job. It's once you have take it once, you've made it once, and you just have to rest and no need of anything to look after it and to go daily for it and making effort, putting the using your brain for this. So this is the passive income. Okay, means you don't have to not require your active participation. Basically the next, what you want, why would you want a passive income? I'm just asking you, this is the second question of this topic. So I will say that a person means whenever he's going for a job or doing a job, maybe he can become ill, or maybe he suffer from a severe injury. For that injury make him means not able to work. So what he will be doing, he will not getting any money because he cannot go to the job, so no one will pay him. So this is the employee mentality of everyone normally. So passive income is opposite to it. You have to make a system and you just have to watch and earn. So we are told to normally students, and how we grow up, we are told to go to school, get good grades and find a secure and a nice job. So this is how we are going to. So the problems encounter in these types of things which I've told you, a person can get ill, he can get several injury, or means no need of daily tension. It's a basic daily torture in the mind that you have to go to the office on daily basis. You have to put your alarms, your daily routine. So in passive income you don't have any routine. You can work on your own. You don't have to put any alarms. You don't want to go to school or things. and means these type of stuff you have to learn on these things. You have to use your brain. How to means get the ideas is not means ideas not come into your brain by going to schools, by doing the things, by fetching the things, by discovering the new things, going out and observing things. This is how a person can develop their own ideas. What are the merit? Already I told you that there are many merits of this passive field, passive income. Once you have done this, you can rest and enjoy your earnings. How to make passive income? The ideas, main things. First, to make passive income is the digital products. Make some digital products. What does that mean? Digital products. Digital products are the products which are means you can say your ebook. You can write a book. Once you write a book, and you can earn it for your whole life, not even your life, but you can earn lifetime till this wall means when till when this wall is going on. So if you die, your family mates will be eating. So this is the main thing of the first product, digital product. Digital product means your ebook. Not only the book, you can also means upon your interest, you can make a game, any game, a digital game, and a digital blog. Write a blog. Everyone who is interested in reading it will read. And how will you earn from that blog? The advertisement on that blog will pay you. So the first thing is about validating your product idea. First of all, think about what you have to do. I will recommend you to do the things which you are interested in, because the things which will be interested in when you will be writing it, when you will be doing the things in which you are interested. So you'll be doing with your interest, and you will be finding more and more things for make it more interesting and make it more better. So I will be recommending you to not follow the trends, also follow the trends, but more on your interest. So this is the first thing. Okay, the second thing, sell that product for free. First you have to make it. First you have to think your idea. Second, you have to give it for free. Give people for free, so they will be reading, take the reviews from them, the feedback, what mistakes you are doing in this books and all that. So these are the things how can you can also learn, and the people with the good feedback from the peoples, so you will be also getting means you will be motivated, and you will make no more mistakes which you have already done. So and once you write a one book or make a one game or like this, so set up a waiting list that I will be producing this next month, I will be producing this after 6 months. So this will make an interest in your followers, so they will be waiting for it, and it will be more beneficial for your digital product. So free content, make waiting list products, first validating your idea. These are the things for the digital product. So the second most important idea is to make an online course. It's not necessary to make you can make online course if you're graduated, if you haven't done some degree, or you have some PhD, or it's not like that. You can make any online course of your interest in what you think, in which you are very expert, and you can teach anyone. And so I will suggest you to select a subject, course, a topic, and make an online course of that topic. It's not matter how old are you or what degree you have done. If you are not graduated or you are just admitted in the university, you can also do this course. You can also make this online course. What you have learned previously, what you have learned in your high school or college, simple maths, take simple science, make this content first in the index table of contents. But you will be telling, how you will be telling, how will be exploring, means making that subject interesting and telling the means your students about how to learn, how to make them understand clearly. So these what you have to think before making this online course. It's not matter, I'm again saying it doesn't matter if you're not graduated, or if you are in college, or if you are in your high school. You can make the videos, the online courses of your previous classes. That's very simple. Okay, so these were the two passive income ideas which I shared with you in this video, although there are many, but these were the two main ideas. So I will recommend you, if you select any idea, just go fulfill it and publish it, and then you have to wait and watch. After passing some time, you can make income from that ideas. Literally, believe me, you just, if you selected ideas, stick to it, make it with your own and very efforts, and put your hard work in, and just publish it, and then just don't open it. After a month, you will be seeing that it's will generating income for you. Believe me. There are many other ideas of passive income, but these are the two which is possible for any means age group of the students or the professionals. It's so easy, that's why I've shared it with you. So to conclude this video, if you truly want to enjoy life and become free from stressful job, I will seriously urge you to consider learning how to create passive income. Fortunately, most people have not been trained in financial education and continue to go through the paid job routes. They slave on a job for the next 30 to 35 years and find out later in life that they have given the best part of their life to an employer. So I think this is sad, as there are ways to liberate ourselves and financially in other things like passive ideas. Everyone has, but we are not fulfilling it. So do not let an employer steal the best part of your life. Seriously consider passive income as an income option. So best of luck, and I will be sharing this book with you guys in the comment options. The one who want this book can comment me, I will be providing it to them. So thank you, bye.